Students, welcome to the online classes. In these lecture, we study about some name reactions of haloalkane and haloarenes. To study name reaction, let us recall some functional groups and groups of organic chemistry. COOH. This group is known as carboxylic acid. Here, carbon attached with double bond oxygen, single bond oxygen along with hydrogen. C double bond OH, carboxylic acid, OH, alcohol, COH, aldehyde, C double bond O, both side attached carbon. This group is known as ketone. Cl, Bri, chloro, bromo and ido. This all belongs to halogen family. These all three members belong to halogen family. CONH2, this group is known as amide. RCOOR, this group is known as ester. ROR, this group is known as ether. Here R and R is alkyl group. Alkyl group, it means alkyl group, it whose general formula is CnH2n plus 1, means एल्केन के में से एक हाइड्रोजन कम. सपोज एल्केन का जनरल फॉर्मूला CH4 मीथेन, तो मिथाइल क्या हो जाएगा CH3. एक हाइड्रोजन कम यदि एल्केन से होता है तो वो क्या कहलाता है, एल्काइल. उसको क्या बोलेंगे, एल्काइल. नाउ C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड N साइनाइड, NC आइसोसाइनाइड. If NH2 amine is attached with one carbon, it is known as 1 degree amine. If NH is attached with 2 carbon, it is known as 2 degree amine. If nitrogen is attached with 3 carbon, it is known as 3 degree amine. If R is attached with hydrogen, means alkyl group is attached with hydrogen, it is known as hydrocarbon or alkane. NO2 is known as nitro group. RX means alkyl group with halogen, alkyl with halogen, it is known as haloalkane or alkyl halide. Haloalkane or alkyl halide. Aryl group is attached with halogen, it is known as aryl halide or haloarine. Aryl halide or haloarine. AR means aryl. Aryl में जनरल रिप्रेजेंटेशन C6H5. एराइल के लिए अपन क्या बोल सकते हैं, C6H5 और कोई भी एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड. और अब अपन डिस्कस कर लेते हैं कौन सा कंपाउंड कितने बॉन्ड बनाएगा या कौन सा एलिमेंट कितने बॉन्ड बनाएगा. तो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड 1, कार्बन बॉन्डेड विथ 4 अदर एटम्स, नाइट्रोजन इज बॉन्डेड विथ 3 अदर एटम्स, ऑक्सीजन इज बॉन्डेड विथ 2 अदर एटम. मीन्स hydrogen always bond single bond, carbon form 4 bonds, nitrogen form 3 bonds and oxygen form 2 bonds. Now study name reaction of haloalkane and haloarine. Name reaction of haloalkane and haloarine. First name reaction is Williamson synthesis. Williamson synthesis. In these reaction, ethoxide ion, it means C2H5O minus. Ethoxide ion is replaced by ब्रोमाइड. ब्रोमाइड को कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, Br माइनस. यदि इथॉक्साइड आयन ब्रोमाइड से रिप्लेस हो जाएगा तो उस नेम रिएक्शन को क्या बोलेंगे, विलियमसन सिंथेसिस. C2H5Br. C2H5Br क्या है, इथाइल ब्रोमाइड. इथाइल ब्रोमाइड की रिएक्शन यदि इथॉक्सी इथेन मीन्स NaOC2H5. तो Na के साथ Br जो है वो क्या हो जाएगा, एलिमिनेट. Na के साथ Br क्या होगा, एलिमिनेट, और फॉर्म क्या होगा C2H5O C2H5. C2H5O C2H5 is a ether. Here 2 C2H5 group is attached, so it is known as diethyl ether. So in Williamson synthesis, main product is diethyl ether. Next name reaction is Woods reaction. You have already studied this reaction in 11th class. Again we recall it. In Wood reaction, two molecules of haloalkane plus sodium in presence of dry ether. Two molecules of haloalkane means RX, sodium Na. One more molecule we can also write as XR. Same. Here sodium contains positive charge, halogen X contain negative charge. So according to the crisscross, byproduct is NaX. Here two halogen is there, so we need to write 2 to balance this reaction. So in that reaction, main product is R plus R bond R. R bond R, it means alkane plus NaX. R bond R. R bond R plus NaX in presence of dry ether. Suppose in case of R, we use 2NaX. Suppose in case of Rx, we use CH3Cl plus 2Na plus ClCH3. In presence of dry ether, same. So the byproduct is CH3CH3. 2 carbon, name ethane plus 2NaCl. Okay. Now next reaction, name reaction, Woods fatigue reaction. Woods fatigue reaction में क्या लेना है अपने को? एक तो लेना है Woods reaction का हेलोएल्केन, fatigue reaction का हेलोएरीन प्लस सोडियम और ड्राई ईथर. So let us complete this reaction. Haloalkane RX, sodium Na, haloarine means halogen along with aromatic compound. Phenyl in presence of dry ether. Here also we need to write 2. So byproduct is 2NaX and main product is benzene fused with alkyl group. If we use CH3Cl plus 2Na, CH3Cl plus 2Na plus Cl बेंजीन के साथ, मीन्स ये हो गया आपका हेलोएरीन, ये हो गया आपका हेलोएल्केन. तो इस केस में जो बाय प्रोडक्ट होगा वो क्या हो जाएगा? सोडियम क्लोराइड NaCl, और जो मेन प्रोडक्ट होगा वो हो जाएगा बेंजीन के साथ लग जाएगा CH3. दिस कंपाउंड इज नोन एज टोलुइन. नाउ नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन, फोर्थ नेम रिएक्शन, फटीग रिएक्शन में आपको क्या लेना है? 2 लेने हेलोएरीन प्लस सोडियम प्लस ड्राई ईथर की क्या होगी? प्रेजेंस. 2 हेलोएरीन मीन्स आप फर्स्ट हेलोएरीन, अगेन सोडियम, अनदर हेलोएरीन. एरीन स्टैंड्स फॉर एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड. अनदर हेलोएरीन in presence of dry ether. Again we need to write here 2. So byproduct is 2NaX. C, one benzene ring fused with another benzene ring. Here in case of benzene we write C6H6, but in that case one hydrogen is left, that is C6H5. So C6H5 what we call? Phenyl. C6H6 what we call? Benzene. When two phenyl rings fused together, main product is 2 phenyl ring fused together, name is biphenyl. What we call? Biphenyl or diphenyl. Because 2 phenyl rings fused together. Next